Good morning, guys, good afternoon, and good evening. Because I don't know in what time you're watching this, that's why I'm wishing you that one. So, here's our algorithm for today, that is of cube in the cube in the cube. It's a very good design. I have made this. So, here's my cube, and let me tell you that how it looks. It looks like this. And when you do this algorithm for 2 times after making your cube in the cube in the cube, your cube will get solved. This we have done for one time, and this is my second time which I am doing. And you can see this, the cube is now get solved. So let's start with a cube in the cube in the cube patterns algorithm. See which side you like, you can choose that. I'm choosing blue. Okay, so our first algorithm is F, then D, then F prime, then D2, then L prime, then B prime, then U, then L, then D, then R, and then U, then L prime, then F prime, then U prime, then L, then U2, means twice. So the cube is now in the pattern of cube in the cube in the cube. See, it look beautiful. If you want to learn, you can learn this. And yeah, to become perfect in this, you should practice it many times so that you get perfect in this. And to solve this, I have told you, you have to do this algorithm for 2 times. I'm doing it. Yeah, I'm not showing you. So the cube is here. So now guys, we are going to make twisted sides. What is twisted side? Twisted side is that this side will be twisted from there, this side to there. So how we can make it without twisting it from our hands? Guys, I am doing it with combination method. You can learn this by the many algorithms in the website, but I am showing you with the combination method. So what is combination method? In combination method, we are going to make cube in the cube first, and then we will make cube in the cube in the cube. So our cube will get converted into twisted sides pattern. Okay guys, let's do this. See, I'm doing the cube in the cube algorithm. See, I have did this. The cube in the cube algorithm is also a beautiful design. You can see it here. And now I am doing this cube in the cube for one time. See, I have did this for one time. It is again converted into cube in the cube in the cube. Now I will do this algorithm for one time more. See, we go through it. We have twisted the side without twisting with our hands by combination method. Wow, it's looking good. It's one of the unique patterns of the cube that I know. So guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, don't go to this because I have lost it in rainy season. The story is very big. I'm not going to tell you guys. So our video is going to end. We'll meet on our next video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, then like. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe, and if you want to share, you can. I'm not forcing you, but yes, if you don't like this video, so please do not unlike it. Thank you so much for watching, And yeah, go to my old video to learn that how to make cube in the cube, because without that you cannot be able to make the combination method and this twisted side. Thank you guys.